Pumpkin Power, how one superfood transforms your gut health. Imagine feeling bloated and sluggish for days, a discomfort many of us know too well. You try different foods, supplements, and hydration tricks, but nothing seems to bring lasting relief. Then, the humble pumpkin steps into the picture, and everything changes. It's not just a Halloween decoration or a Thanksgiving pie filling. Pumpkin has some serious gut health benefits that can literally move you. But how exactly does pumpkin work its magic on your digestive system? And why is it such a powerhouse when it comes to preventing constipation and promoting smooth bowel movements? The gut-friendly power of pumpkin. Pumpkin is a fiber-packed food, and fiber is the unsung hero of digestive health. Soluble fiber found in pumpkin absorbs water and helps form a gel-like substance in your intestines, making stool easier to pass. At the same time, pumpkin's insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool, which helps move waste through the digestive system and prevents constipation. Together, these types of fiber work harmoniously to keep your digestive system running smoothly. But fiber alone isn't the full story. Pumpkin is also rich in water. Almost 90% of its flesh is water. This high water content helps hydrate your stool, further promoting easier and more frequent bowel movements. Hydration is key to preventing constipation because dry, hard stools are the most common cause of difficulty when going to the bathroom. So, while you may think fiber alone is the hero of digestive health, the combination of fiber and water in pumpkin provides a 1-2 punch that makes it highly effective in supporting digestion. The secret role of prebiotics. Here's where pumpkin gets even more interesting. In addition to fiber and water, pumpkin contains prebiotics, which are compounds that feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These bacteria, known as probiotics, help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. When you nourish your gut bacteria with prebiotics from foods like pumpkin, you're creating a healthy environment for digestion. This reduces bloating, gas, and constipation. But what happens when you don't give your gut the proper fuel? Your gut bacteria starve, which can lead to an imbalance known as dysbiosis, where harmful bacteria outnumber the good. This imbalance can cause digestive discomfort and inflammation, making your gut sluggish and prone to issues like constipation or diarrhea. So by eating pumpkin regularly, you're not only getting immediate digestive benefits through fiber and hydration, but you're also feeding your gut microbiome the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Why pumpkin prevents constipation? Let's break it down step by step. Constipation occurs when your digestive system slows down and stools become hard and difficult to pass. This often happens due to a lack of fiber, dehydration, or poor gut health, all things that pumpkin helps to address. Fiber intake. Pumpkin's high fiber content, around 7 grams per cup, helps bulk up stools, making them softer and easier to pass through the intestines. Hydration. The water in pumpkin helps hydrate the stool, ensuring it doesn't become hard or stuck in the colon, a common cause of constipation. Regularity. Fiber-rich foods like pumpkin support regular bowel movements by improving gut motility, helping you go to the bathroom more consistently and comfortably. Gut microbiome. Pumpkin's prebiotics ensure that your gut bacteria are healthy, balanced, and functioning properly, preventing slow digestion and constipation. So, if you're looking for a natural way to keep things moving, pumpkin is a delicious and effective solution. If you've been struggling with digestive discomfort, constipation, or irregular bowel movements, adding pumpkin to your diet could be a game changer. Its unique combination of fiber, water, and prebiotics makes it a powerful natural remedy for promoting gut health. Embrace the power of nature.